Hi, good morning. Thank you for joining us. It's an honor to be here today. My name is Daniel Little. I'm the Acting Director with the Department of Family and Children's Services with Santa Clara County, here for a very important message regarding child abuse prevention. As many of you may have seen, the board recently passed a proclamation declaring April as Child Abuse Prevention Month. And I think during this very critical public health emergency, it becomes even more vital to discuss the impacts and implications of child abuse prevention as a county-wide measure. DFCS is proud to partner with agencies such as First Five and the Child Abuse Prevention Council as we develop ongoing and further interventions and strategies to prevent child abuse within the county of Santa Clara. With this current public health emergency, we know that there's additional burdens and stressors placed upon children and placed upon families. And we want to make sure that as a community, that each and every one of us understands our part in ensuring the safety and well-being of all the vulnerable populations within our county. We are working towards developing further interventions in the prevention landscape. We are developing strategies within early intervention, developing strategies to engage families earlier on. And we really want to make sure that everybody has the information available, that if you're seeing anything where you feel like a child is in danger, that you feel a child needs somebody additional to kind of look at well-being, that you're able to contact the Department of Family and Children's Services. Our Child Abuse and Neglect call center is still available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-833 SCC-KIDS. That's 1-833 SCC-KIDS. Our emergency response social workers are still on duty to respond to all allegations of abuse and neglect. And we really want to make sure that as a community that we stand together, that we look out for one another. And that again, while we're looking at for the health and well-being of all citizens, that we're putting a special focus and emphasis on the most vulnerable populations that we serve. For those that need any additional resources, you're welcome to look at the Child Abuse Prevention Council's website. They list numerous phone numbers and websites for people to access additional services such as First Five. If you have any additional questions about accessing services through the county, you can always go through the main Santa Clara County website. You can also access services through the Social Services Agency on the Santa Clara County website. And again, I want to thank everyone, especially the social workers that continue to put in the long hours to ensure the safety and well-being of the children that we're serving. Thank the foster parents and caregivers. Thank our service providers that still stand at a ready to meet the needs of children and families throughout this time. And most of all, thank you to everybody in the public that recognizes this important topic and how it aligns with what's going on within the current public health crisis. So with that, I want to thank you all for joining us. Any additional questions, again, you can go to our website. And once again, to report any concerns of child abuse and neglect, please go to 1-833 SCC-KIDS. Thank you all very much.